All right, welcome back. Damien with Miatamix, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do the supercharger belt on the Nd Miata. A lot of customers have trouble putting this on, and this is for the HKS kit only. JDL and the other ones, very much a lot easier. So this right here, as you can see, we have the kit already bolted up somewhat. Now, when you go to put the supercharger on, there's not a lot of room to get it between the sway bar and the outer crank pulley that you have to put on. Now, this is how I do this. This is very easy, takes about 2 minutes. So we're going to make sure that the tensioner is backed all the way out. So you should have a pretty good gap in between that and that. Then what we're going to do is sit here and we're going to loop the belt up and around. Sorry for the view here, guys. We're going to get this belt. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but we can do this. So now we've got it around the crank pulley. And what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and make sure to pull it on that side of the tensioner. And then we're going to take our hands. I don't know how well I can get this in here. We're going to take our hands and slip it up and over the supercharger pulley. Once we get that up and over, now as you can see, it's around the crank and it is on the inside of the pulley right there. Now we tension that up and you're done. It is that easy. Really is not that hard. And as you can see, we have the supercharger still loose. If you don't have this loose, you're going to struggle. So that's how you put on the HKS Supercharger belt. Really easy.